Jesse Tennis, Limoblaze. Sometimes I got fears and I have doubts, but I never let it take me low. Cause I've come to learn what you're about, that you'll never leave me all alone. Cause you got the control. The storm will come but you control it. You knew my name before I was born. That unconditional love. Make me a liquor dancer, put my praise up in the fire dance hall. Me and Justice finna burn up this track. Tell the DJ make it, put it on repeat, yeah. Cause me a liquor dancer, put my praise up in the fire dance hall.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Naya. If it's your first time here, please make sure you like this video, subscribe, and check out my other videos if you haven't already. So from the title you can already tell this vlog is going to be a weekend in the life of an event decorator. If you guys didn't know, or if you're new here, I'm actually an event decorator. So I do decor for events. It's called Gradia Events, and I'll leave it on the screen here, so please follow me, book me for your events, okay? So today is Saturday. The event that I have is actually tomorrow, but I'm just gonna start vlogging from today. I have a couple things to do today. I'm getting ready to go grocery shopping, and then after that I'm meeting up with one of my friends for dinner. So I'm just gonna take you guys along, and then tomorrow we actually have the event, okay? So yeah, this is my fit. It's just very simple. Ignore my room is kind of messy, but yeah, anyways. Hi guys, so I'm about to leave now, so let's go. Yeah, it actually is. Hi guys, so I just got here. This is my friend Natasha. Hey. She's also a makeup artist, so look her. But yeah,
It's all tiny in here.
yeah.
I'm excited for the food.
Right? Well, what drink did you get?
This is a rosé sangria.
Ooh, nice. Okay, we're ready. So guys, we're done. It was so fun.
Yeah. It's so windy out now.
Yeah, it's so windy.
We're trying to find our way back to our car, but bye.
Hi guys, welcome back to this vlog. So today is Sunday, which is the day that I actually have the event. So I just got back from church. I started my morning by going to church. So right now I'm about to leave for the event that I have. It is in Mississauga, and I live like 40-45 minutes away from there. So yeah, please make sure you follow my events planning page if you haven't already, okay? So yeah, I'm so excited. I haven't done balloon garlands in a while. I feel like I've been doing mostly like gift boxes, custom gifts for like this, like most of the year. I mean, it's only like 3 months into the year, but yeah. So come along with me, and yeah, let's see what we get up to today, okay? Anyways, subscribe if you haven't, and yeah, let's go. Hi guys, so I just got to the location of the event. This is the backdrop that we're going to be using, and we're about to start setting up. So I'm working with Passion today. Hi guys. She's so amazing, and you guys should check her out. I'll leave her page below as well. So we're about to start blowing some balloons.
You're like a natural with that. So that is our cluster. I'll move these over for now. So those are our colors. I'll get the other one so I can do the 5 inches. Okay. So 5 of these. I think we need 3 of each color. 3 of each. Yeah, I'm gonna say 3 of each color will give us 9. Okay. Like that size, and then I can blow up the add-ons after. Okay.
Okay, so now we are just blowing up the balloons to start assembling the garland. So you can see after I blew them up, I pressed the center so it can give it a more rounded shape. This entire setup took us like 2 hours, and there were 2 of us. But yeah, I think that's like a reasonable time, to be honest. Yeah, it was really fun though. Like I literally love doing this. Like I love decorating for events. I can't wait till I actually get to do this full time. And yeah.
I mean, you gave well done, my faithful servant. That is the speech I long for. Before we turn up in heaven. That is the speech I long for. Yo, that's telling us, yo, perfect picture, no before.
Right now, I'm just trying to attach the balloons to the backdrop so you can see the gap there. We don't want that gap, you know, so we have to make sure it's tight and secure so the balloons are not like all over the place.
Wait, fill the front. Yeah. Yeah.
So right now I'm just adding more balloons to like the spaces to fill up the gaps and just make the garland look full. Guys, I'm just adding the little ones.
So do you want to come back?
Hi guys, so we just finished. Let me show you guys the final look. Okay guys, we're done and we're leaving now. This is so fun. Thank you.
You're welcome. You did such an amazing job.
Thank you. Oh, you're the best.
I'm so glad you came.
So we're done with the event setup. I don't know if I mentioned, but I'm meeting one of my friends. I'm meeting up with one of my friends for dinner, I guess, because it's like 4:20 right now. So we're meeting at Gyubi Japanese Grill. It's like a Korean barbecue. Korean Japanese. It's not like K barbecue sha. But yeah, it's called Gyubi or Gyubi, honestly, but it's so good. Like, I don't know if my friend is here yet, but I'm just gonna go in and see if I can get us a table. We didn't make a reservation, so hopefully we can actually get a spot. But yeah, see you guys inside. Waves my vlogger. Oh, I've actually missed you. It's been so long. How's your day? How's your ride here?
I want to give you all they got. I'm like it my all for you. Cause no one do me like you do. No. At the end of the day, all that matters to me is your name being lifted up. And the life that I live is another reason for your name being lifted. Oh, and the trumpet sound. We'll be singing.
I got engaged. Our meat is cooking. Please, all the same. Are you enjoying your food? Okay, that's a yes. Oh, guys, this is actually one of my favorite Korean barbecues. Even though this is my second time coming here. I really like it. Okay, so let's have some bibimbap. Yeah, I don't like this not well done egg, so I'm just gonna take it out. Guys, we're so cool. So we just got dessert. Let me show you. This is some creme brulee. My channel, they've actually seen the missing. Me?
Y'all don't even know me to miss me like y'all don't even know me.
They do. Like you're an OG on this channel.
Passenger princess for life, baby. I'm not getting my license.
Jesus' name.
I don't want to get my license. I don't want to drive. I want to be in the passenger seat. Okay, everybody's asking me when I'm gonna get a license. I have my G1. I'm not getting my G2. I'm not gonna get my G2. Okay,
you should.
I'm not interested in driving. I'm not interested in the wheel. Jesus has already taken the wheel, so why should I grab the wheel from his hand?
I hope you knew that I'm actually gonna post this.
No, you should.
As you're talking.
Because I'm an advocate for people who are being pressured into driving. Like, I'm not interested. I've never been interested in driving. So yeah, and I've always been driven. So don't introduce me to a lifestyle you can't maintain.
Oh, I said we're supposed to be the code. I'm 3 minutes away.
3
Yeah, 3 minutes.
for mine.
Yeah.
Kiki.
This is your Kiki, please. Are you sure? Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay.
Kiki.
Ouch. Guys,
Time has come to say goodbye.
Yeah, this was so fun.
I had the best time ever.
Of course you did.
Yeah, signing out from this vlog.
Signing out.
Like, comment, subscribe, share.
Yeah, and I'm just gonna end the vlog here.
Bye guys.
Bye guys.
Till next time.
O fẹ́ máa wó lórí mi, o fẹ́ máa wó lórí mo gbórúkọ Nazarene. Kí ni wúrà sí mi, kí ni sílífà?